Okay, YouTubers, as Ron in Texas would say, I'm going to blow a whistle. It's actually made of wood. It's a train whistle that you would probably get at a yeah, what do you call them things? Tourist lines. I could think of excursion, but I couldn't think of tourists. Explain that one. But anyhow, I'm going to blow a wooden whistle. It's a Ford chime. It's very large. I bought it in Lehighton, Pennsylvania, back in the year of 1999 at a antique toy train type museum where they had a big, huge layout. Later years, Walmart bought the place and tore everything down. I don't know what they did with the trains. But anyhow, I'm going to blow the whistle on 40 pounds of PSI. And let's see how that sounds. Be back in a bit. Oh, and also I took the wind sock off the microphone so you really hear the sound of the whistle. It sounds neat. Really, it does. Okay, boys and girls, moms and dads, and whoever else was watching this demonstration. put on a wide angle so everybody can see what this thing looks like. There it is. I put a brass tip on the end so it will allow the air to go in a lot better. But anyhow, that's the whistle. And I have it dated. It was January of '99 that I got this whistle. That's what it looks like. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Anyhow, that other sound was a horse. It might have picked it up on audio. But anyhow, that's the whistle. If you've never seen inside of a whistle before, well, there it is. Hard to believe it's a wooden whistle. It makes a beautiful sound. Now, the reason why it was getting some odd sound there, I was putting my fingers in the side of the whistle to make a different tone. For a little bit there, we were blowing a 3 chime instead of a 4 chime. So at that, have yourself a fine afternoon. Oh, and another thing too, if I blow this just regular blow out of my mouth, it doesn't have a real harsh sound like it does when it has 40 pounds of pressure, and I'll demonstrate for you in just a moment here. See, it's not as loud and sounding like a real train, so that's why I blew it with the 40 pounds of pressure. At that, have a good afternoon.